Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and I'm a software developer here in Ghana. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 basic projects that you can do as a beginning software developer or as an absolute beginner in the world of software development so that you can be able to get your foot in the door when it comes to finding a job as a software developer. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel as we go through these projects. So just to give a little disclaimer, these projects are for front-end developers and I'm going to be specifying on HTML, CSS and JavaScript because these are the basic tools that you need to get started in being a front-end developer. So the first project I'm going to be mentioning is replicating existing websites. So when it comes to existing websites, find any website that you like, any website that is aesthetically good and try to replicate it in HTML, CSS and JavaScript because we all know that every website is built with HTML, CSS. Even if it's not CSS, it's something related to CSS. So you can be able to do it in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make sure you focus on the designs, the style, the fonts, how to maneuver your way with different fonts, different sizes, placing things in different positions, different grids, and you are good to go because then I believe that using existing website for your first project gives you something to look up to. So like you have something that you are working towards and it's right in front of you, then you can be able to work towards that side that you have chosen. And it is a very good way to be able to get started in building your portfolio as a front-end developer. So you may want to consider doing this as your first project. And I must share with you that when I began looking for jobs in being a front-end developer, I made sure to create a profile on Linktree and then I replicated that site as my own project on GitHub. So after replicating that site, I made sure to publish my code on GitHub so that people can have access to it. And then I published the GitHub repo onto my LinkedIn profile. So it's a very good start for you if you're looking to build a career in front-end development. So my next project is going to be to try to replicate your resume onto a website. So take your resume and then try to make it a website, which is a very simple way to be able to get started as a front-end developer. Because then if you are sharing a link to your resume, which is your website, is to tell your recruiter that you know what you're doing and you know what you're looking for. So try to focus on the design of the resume that you're creating. Try to make it more friendly, more aesthetic, because then you are trying to grab the attention of whoever is interested in seeing your resume, because now you have moved on from being a normal resume holder and then transitioning to sharing your resume as your website to your recruiters. And it's a very good start and it gives a very good impression about you as a front-end developer. So my last project is going to be taking up coding challenges online. So there's this website called mentor.io, which I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. So do also check it out. It has a lot of coding challenges that you can be able to take on. Take a sample coding challenge and try to do it on your own. Try to do it on your own first, then you compare it with what is already there. And it's a very, very good start for you because then you're using your own tools as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then you are simulating a whole coding challenge, which is very, very good if you're looking to get hired because recruiters are interested in the challenges that you have taken upon yourself to do. And doing a coding challenge is one of the things that recruiters are really interested in. So this will be a very good opportunity for you if you're looking to do anything front-end development in the near future. So this has been me, and thank you for watching up to this point. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. I would like to hear from you if you have any challenges, questions or concerns, and I will get back to you in my next video. See you. Bye.